Hello, today we're making a lovely puff puff. Hello. So we're making puff puff. All we need is just flour. We need flour, 200 grams of flour. And we'll be using the red bell pepper. We're gonna spice that with onion and nutmeg. One onion, brown one. Vegetable oil for deep. It's gonna be amazing, isn't it? We need sea salt as well. Sea salt. Sugar 70 grams. And warm water, we need water, the warm one, just about 100 grams. So sit back, let's enjoy. Thank you very much. If this is your first time watching this lovely channel, please remember to subscribe to this lovely channel. Thank you. So let's get started to make our lovely puff puff. So we need a spatula and we need a bowl. So we're gonna mix that together. Yeah. And of course, we don't want to forget that we need just one of that, 7 grams. We'll be right back.
Let's make puff puff.
Yes.
Puff time. You want to sit?
You want to sit down?
Sit.
I want to sit down.
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 I want to sit down. So you're gonna sit down now. We're gonna make puff puff. Are you ready? Nice and easy. We're gonna mix it together now. Let's quickly. We're gonna activate the yeast. Ready? Ready, my darling. We need yeast. Yeah. Yeah, we're gonna pop the yeast in. Put it in for me, my lovely. Thank you. Good. Just one of that. That's right. Straight away, we're gonna pop in warm water. We're gonna check if it's warm. We want it nice that one with a deeper hand inside. Yeah, it's nice and warm. We're gonna pop it in and you're gonna mix it for me. Mix it for me, please. Thank you. Just one sachet is alright. Lovely, lovely. Look at that. Amazing. So just one sachet of this for the lovely pop puff. That's the dry fast yeast, the instant dry yeast. So we're gonna mix that together. Lovely. Then we're gonna pop in 500 grams of flour. So mix that together, my darling. Nice and easy. The recipe is 500 grams of flour, and of course sugar 100 grams. Sugar 100 grams, 100 grams of water. So when we pop it 100 grams of water, we mix that with the flour. Then we're gonna mix that together. Then we're gonna activate the yeast. So we're gonna pop in more flour because that's not up to 500 grams. You're gonna weigh that out if you want to. Keep mixing, please. Thank you. Mix that together. Keep mixing. Like that. Thank you, my darling. Yeah. That's it. That should be alright. You're gonna activate that. Nice and easy. Keep mixing. Yeah. Mix it like that. Pop that in. You're gonna carry on mixing. I'm gonna help you out a little bit. Make it look nice. That's how it's meant to be. Then we're gonna pop in sugar, 200 grams. Carry on. Sugar, 200 grams. Gonna pop that in. That's it. Keep mixing. It looks amazing. It's gonna be lovely. It's lovely fun. Let's mix that together. Sugar. Are you ready? I'm gonna help you. We do it together. Like that. Yeah. So we're gonna spice that with a little bit of nutmeg. Make it look nice. Spice that. Make it spicy, you know. That's alright. Yeah. Nutmeg. So carry on mixing. Now sea salt. We're gonna add a little bit of sea salt, a pinch of sea salt. Yeah. Thank you. Inside. So what we're gonna do is now we have that. We're gonna leave that to double in size. Then we're gonna pop in our pepper and onion. We're gonna activate that together. We need that to activate. Let's have a look. Let's see what's going on. That's what we need. Something like that. You know, pop really. We activate that with this. Yeah, I'm gonna check what's going on now. Let's see. I'm gonna see if it's gonna work like that. Yeah, that's what we need. That's what we need. That's alright. That mixture is alright. So, puff puff. So now what we're gonna do, we have the mixture ready. Looks amazing. So what we're gonna do, red bell pepper. So I'm gonna dice that inside. Is the red bell pepper. We're gonna use half of that. We'll take the seed off. So we're gonna pop that inside. So we're gonna pop that inside. Take the seed off. So red bell pepper. Red bell pepper. Give you some oranges. So we need some red bell pepper. We're gonna pop that straight away into this lovely bowl. We're gonna put the pepper inside. It looks amazing, isn't it? Red bell pepper. So we're gonna pop that inside. It looks amazing, isn't it? Make it smaller. The onion, of course, we're gonna pop in onion as well. You alright there? So that's the pepper inside. It's the bell pepper. I love using red bell pepper. And I'm going to pop in the red one as well to make it pepperish a little bit. Thank you. Thank you. Listen to me now. So we're gonna sprinkle a little bit of ground red pepper. Yeah, just a ground red pepper, you know. Make it a little bit pepperish. Thank you.
Thank you.
So we're gonna mix that together. Yeah. Like that.
I want to miss that.
Onion. So we're gonna pop in onion. Nice and easy. So we need onion. Make it look nice. So add some flavor to it. Make it spicy. You know. Add some flavor. We spice that with some nutmeg and of course a little bit of red pepper.
With pepper.
Yeah. Red pepper. So what we're gonna do now is we got the red pepper inside, so we're gonna pop in onion. So we got onion, we're gonna give it a fine dice. I didn't use my chopping board again. I'm doing it by hand. So that's the one. I'm gonna pop it inside.
Squeeze.
It's gonna make you cry, it's onion. Gonna mix that together.
Yes.
So now we're gonna turn on the it's almost ready. So we're gonna start frying now, isn't it? So we're gonna pop in our vegetable oil. It doesn't take time. We don't need to keep it for long to grow. It's puff puff. It's nice and quickly. It keeps growing. You'll be crying because I pop in some onion. That's how onion does. Makes us cry. Yeah. So now, sorry, my love. To cleanse your eyes anyway, onion is good for the eyes. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start frying. Yeah, we're gonna start frying. Tissue. So now that's the onion. Makes us cry. So we're gonna mix that together again. Yeah, are you ready? We mix that together. We're gonna fry. Puff puff. A lot of it to do it. I'm coming. So that's the that's how it's gonna look like. Nice and sticky dough. Got some lovely red pepper and onion. Look at that. Amazing. So we're gonna leave that to double in size. We're gonna leave that like that. Now we don't need to mix anymore. We don't need to mix it, my darling. All we need to do is we're gonna cover that and leave that to double in size. We'll pop some cling film on it. So that's it, my darling. Cling film. We'll leave that to double in size for about 5 minutes. So, sorry, my darling. I need to put this into the air. I need a cling film for it. I love that with cling film. So I'm going to hide that in the cover. Leave that now for there. Leave that there for now. Now what we're going to do is, we have our saucepan, our pots. Popping some vegetable oil.
Vegetable oil.
I'm gonna bring that to the boil. Yeah, because we're gonna fry now. I want to start frying the puff. So, some vegetable oil. Some oil. We're gonna top that now. That's it. So we need to fry. That's what we need. Put that away. Then we're gonna bring that. We're gonna turn that. Then look. Then we're gonna start. So we're gonna start frying. So that's the puff puff. We're gonna.
Puff puff.
Yeah. We're making
Puff
puff puff.
puff.
So, yeah, puff puff, puff puff.
Puff puff.
Yeah, puff puff. Puff puff. Puff puff. So, in Africa you say puff puff. But here you say puff puff. Puff puff. So what we're gonna do now is we got sea salt, flour. That's what we use in making it. Flour, sea salt, sugar, a little bit of nutmeg, onion. These are the recipes. So we want to start frying now. What we're gonna do is we got a lot of oil. We need our oil to heat up, medium heat, medium high heat. We don't want to overheat it up. So we want a medium high heat. So we're gonna use a sieve. We're gonna pop our lovely puff puff. Have an idea. We're gonna use a colander instead of this sieve. I'm gonna use a colander. it's better when I use a colander and I pop everything in. It's gonna be alright for me instead of using the sieve. So I'm gonna get started to fry. So I'm gonna, yeah, give me a sec. Watch your head. So now, we're gonna start frying. We'll keep this place nice and clean. And so, yeah.
Keep going.
Yeah. Yeah. That's alright. Almost ready. So we're gonna start frying now. I'm gonna put that away. Turn on the fan. Open the windows. Then we're gonna start frying. So sugar, we're gonna put everything away. That's the sea salt. I'll put my sugar in here. We're gonna start frying now. So, oil is almost ready. That's the puff puff. We're gonna start frying now. Now we're gonna put everything away. Sea salt. Give it a little bit of time. So we got the puff puff almost ready. We're gonna start frying. So I'm gonna pop some oil in my hand. Yeah, the sea salt. So what we're gonna do? Yeah, I'm gonna oil my hand a little bit so it doesn't stick.
Keep up.
So sea salt. Let's get that one. Sea salt, sea salt. So we're gonna start frying now. That's amazing. That's the sea salt. Yeah, I'm gonna turn on the fan so that yeah. So yeah. We're gonna get started now. Just give it some time. Get a little bit more time. I have a stick. So we're using that to fry. Yeah, right there. Yeah, I need that as well. So let's put the stick aside. I'm gonna turn on the fan. So we're gonna fry.
Look at the fan.
Yeah, we're ready to fry. So now the oil is hot. A little bit more time. We're gonna get a few. We'll make like six each. We're not going to pop in everything at the same time.
We don't
Because-
do it.
yeah, not at the same time. So what we're going to do, yeah, a little bit of,
We don't do this. Pop. Pop.
yeah.
We don't do the pop. Pop. Aha! Ah! When I work it there,
Yeah.
I was told with more and more to get packet cheese. Bam, bam, bam.
You like that? So I'm going to wash my hands quickly. Yeah, I don't want my hands too quick. So I'm going to wash that.
I can wash it.
Let's see what's going on. Yeah. We're going to be frying that.
Dun, 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 dun. One, two, zero.
So what we're going to do is we're going to keep an eye on it. Yeah, we're going to keep an eye on it. We want it nice and golden. It's going to be nice and round. It's going to look really amazing. It's the best puff puff ever. It's the best puff puff.
Yes, this is
Best puff puff.
and round. Round.
It's almost ready. It looks really amazing, isn't it? Yeah. No, man, look at that amazing. You can see the pepper inside. The red pepper looks really amazing. Look at that amazing. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. So we're gonna make 8 more there. It's gonna look nice. Look at that. Amazing. So we're gonna leave that. We're gonna leave that to cook a little bit longer. Yeah. So once it's ready, we're gonna get that out from the. Yeah. We cook that a little bit longer. Once you get that out, we pop that into the. That's a scissor. Round and round again, like a teddy bear. Yeah, come on. So, yeah. Yeah, well, it's almost ready. Yeah, so now it's almost ready. Look, it's getting nice and brown. Yeah, that's a lovely golden color. Look at that. Amazing. Look at that. Nice and golden. Amazing. Yes. Nice and soft, nice and golden. Yeah, that's how it is. So we're gonna. I'm gonna pop in some more pop off in that side. There's a little bit of space on this side. So I'm gonna leave that like that. Then I'm gonna get them all out. Get them all out.
Mommy needs this
So that one is ready. We're gonna get them all out. Nice and easy.
What's in the box? What is here? What are you? We get us. What is this? Wow.
Round and round is a lovely pop-up.
We all pop, pop, round and with round and round and round, pop, pop, in the round, go, you pop, pop, in one way, you go, the star, in the round, go, the seas, in the rabbit, no. When the round is There you go.
So I'm going to turn that off because the heat is really strong.
Go.
Yes.
Different music.
Yeah.
Count. Go.
Yes. You understand? I'm going to make a baby one. Baby one for you. Baby one. Small one, baby.
What is this for you?
Baby one. Another baby one. Yeah. Baby one. That one is the baby one. I'm coming. I'll pick it up for you now. Is it a veg or is it No worries. I'm gonna grab that for you. Vegetable. Yeah, amazing. Yeah.
This sucks. This week hell.
So we're gonna play that off.
Let's do this. Let it go. What's this? Next, look at this one. Ring around and round, ring around and round.
So that's a lovely puff puff. You can see how nice it is. So we're gonna play that off straight away. Looks amazing. So it looks really amazing. Remember to subscribe to this lovely channel. This is a lovely puff puff, so I'm gonna play that on this lovely plate. I'm gonna play that like that. It's really hot, nice and hot. Looks amazing. Nice and hot. So that's a lovely purple. Look at that. Amazing. So I'm going to show you how it came. You can see it's well cooked. Look at the bell peppers inside, the onion and everything. It looks really nice. Nice and hot. You enjoy that when it's hot. Yum yum. That's the onion, bell pepper. Nice and golden outside, well cooked inside. So my friends, thanks for watching. See you tomorrow for another interesting, lovely live stream. Remember to subscribe, share, and like. Till next time, cheers, bye bye. Lovely. Amazing recipe. Look at that. Amazing.